Hi everyone, this is Georgia from Seriously Skin in Chagrin Falls, Ohio, and today I'm going to talk to you about Upneeq. So Upneeq is one of the medications that we have here at Seriously Skin. Upneeq is an eye drop, and it's for the purpose of basically solving blepharoptosis. Basically, that is dissension of the eyelid. So right now, I really don't have mascara on. I haven't really finished my makeup because I'm going to put these eye drops in. But essentially how it works is Upneeq is packaged in individual packets. Let's see, this one is, there's 45 of these in a box. And it looks like this when it comes out. You basically just twist it and apply 1 drop per eye. If you're a contact lens wearer like I am, you are going to wait about 15 minutes before you actually put your contact lenses in. So what this is going to do in the next few minutes is your eyes actually start to open a little bit more. So for a lot of people, as we get older, there's a little Mueller muscle inside the eyelid that actually starts to descend a little bit. This drug will actually cause it to contract, lifting it up. So it's going to help make you look a little bit more open. If you have heavier lids, this is going to help make things look a little bit more lively. It is used for medical purposes, also in our world, maybe a little more cosmetic, and therefore this is actually covered with your HSA card. So that's wonderful. One of these boxes right now will last you quite a long time. From this little tube, there is more liquid in here than a daily dose. I can use it 2 to 3 times depending. I just kind of store it upright. I put it back in this little container and I save it for tomorrow. So if you want to try Upneeq, definitely give us a call. It's a wonderful medication to just help your eyes look a little bit wide open and a little bit more lively and youthful.